So when it comes to organic or paid, I definitely recommend paid advertisement, because with the paid you can instantly show the results. If you have any client and you are running any ads, or you are running paid advertisement like Google ads or Facebook ads for your client, it is better, because with the paid advertisement, within a span of 2 week, you can show him actual result, actual few leads, few sales. Even if you are running like Facebook ad, you can show him the sales. If you are doing the e-commerce, you can show the like sale of any product. But this is not the case with the organic, because organic takes time. And organic, you have to optimize your profile. Means this is the one of the most important task. You have to optimize your profile. And there is one option, that you have to put the link of your website, or it could be your landing page, into your bio. So you have to put that. And with the posting, with the consistently posting on the social media platform, that's how you get traffic on your website. That's how you get traffic on your profile, and from profile you are getting the traffic on your website. So see, it is like a funnel. And once you get like 1,000 people liking your picture, and out of that 1,000, only like 200 people landed on your like profile, and out of 200, only 50 people gets on your website. And out of that 50, if it is like the conversion rate is pretty much low, even you can expect about 5 to 6 sales. So it is very low. But you can run via paid ads. The intention, you have the intention that yes, I'm going to target few keywords which are buyer intended keywords, because Google enable us to target the buyer intended keywords. And if you are running ads on a Facebook, you are targeting people based on their interest. So you can target someone who is interested in songs, and you can advertise the Spotify. So it based on that, right? Because Facebook knows our interest and Google knows our intention. These both are very powerful social media platforms. And once we use both, we can target people basis on that. And definitely, if someone comes here like clicking on that ad, he'll definitely buy. The conversion rate is pretty much high with the paid advertisement. But with the organic, and you can expect organic results within 3 to 6 months. You have to be patient. You cannot expect like sales and thousands of followers from day one. This is the process. You have to post consistently. You have to use hashtags. You have to use proper hashtags like long term. It is also depends on how much competition is there on that hashtag. You have to search for like long keyword hashtag, and then you have to optimize it. It is not only about hashtag. Your content should be like engaging, but you have to make sure the creative that you are creating, it should be like interactive. People are interacting with it. This is the one thing. And this caption you are writing, see if you are write any long caption, you should tell a story in that caption, like how this brand has started, and like how you are doing things. Just make people to engage with your content. And that's how, once people engage, and once they visit your website or visit your website, then they started to like trust you. So it's a bit long process, but it's not with the paid advertisement. In the paid advertisement, if you use videos, then definitely it will build instant trust. And there's one like customer behavior. I have read one article in that they have showcased that people they need to at least see our brand for like 6 to 7 times, and then they make any decision to buy it. As you can see, you have to get in front of people like each and every day. That's the only option. So that's why I suggest use both. Use combination of both. Like sometimes you are posting ads, you are running ads, and your customer base are able to see those ads. But what you have to do next time, just start posting organic content, and the organic content, try to get this front of your customers. So that's how you can, you will be manage the both. You will balance the organic and paid. And paid is obviously better. And we are, our both agency are good at doing the paid advertisements. So paid is one of the best method to get quick results. And when it comes to like building an authority, building like having a good amount of follower, then definitely organic is one of the best. So I would definitely suggest go with the both and manage the both.